How to put iPhone in recovery mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a crucial troubleshooting step for your iPhone, putting it into recovery mode. This is super helpful if you're facing software issues, need a reset, or prepare it for an update. So the first thing is you will need to get an USB cable and then make sure that this can be entered into a Windows PC or a Mac. And once you have connected the port to your iPhone, then connect the other end to your computer. And now you will need to uh, press and quickly release the volume up button. So press and quickly release the volume down button as well. And finally press the side button. Keep holding it down and you will see the Apple logo appear, but don't let go yet. Keep holding the side key. And there you have it. Your iPhone will be in recovery mode. You will see a screen prompting you to connect to either iTunes on your computer or the Finder app on your Windows or Mac. From here, you can choose to update or restore your iPhone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.